I think I get really excited when I'm looking at skeletons and kind of comparative skeletons, and I see something that's really unusual or quite exceptional. And you start to, when you study comparative anatomy, you start to look at basically all animals as kind of variations on a theme, and humans as a variation on a theme of a mammal, variation on a theme of an ape. While I was filming Ice Age Giants with the Natural History Unit, I saw the fossil bones of this utterly remarkable creature that lived in the southern part of the United States now. And this creature is called a glyptodont, and it's such a weird thing. I mean, basically it's a massive armadillo. But I really, really enjoyed spending time with the scientists who were looking at that, particularly Dave Gillette, who's got this real kind of fascination with glyptodonts, and it's sort of infectious. You can't go away from Dave Gillette's lab without kind of having fallen in love a little bit with glyptodonts yourself. They are just bizarre creatures. You look at their skull and it looks like something out of Star Wars. I mean, it's a really, really odd-looking skull. And yet you can see that all the individual bones are there that you'd expect in a mammal's skull. They're just pulled in different directions. And it's covered in a bony shell. It's so bizarre. So it has these little hexagonal plates all over its back. So it's things like that, I think, which make you think about how those things evolved and how those things develop, that do really excite me. But that's been a recent one that really kind of grabbed my imagination.